I think it's safe to say most Mustang owners would like their Mustang to be a little bit louder than stock. Now, how loud is usually very personal. But again, there's certain times you might like it really loud, like in a car vent, but maybe you're driving home at night, you'd like it a little bit quieter. Well, modern Mustangs have an active exhaust system that allows you to have it loud when you want it, but not so loud at other times. What about older Mustangs that didn't have that option? Well, today we're going to show you how to do that to your classic or even modern Mustang. These electric exhaust cutouts from Doug's headers are going to fit factory or aftermarket 2.5-inch exhaust system. And we have them different sizes as well. Now basically we've probably all seen cutouts, they've been around forever, but old school cutouts you had to get underneath the car and actually unbolt the plate to open up the exhaust. Well, these are going to be electric. It's a dash mounted switch. You simply push the switch and you can go from muffled exhaust to wide open headers. Like I said, this system is designed for 2.5-inch exhaust, and actually you can install these with the supplied clamps, so there's no welding necessary. Your main exhaust will go right through here, and basically you have this cutoff. Now when the switch is in the closed position, the exhaust will flow normally and go through your mufflers, which will keep your car on the quieter side. If you want to be a little bit rowdy though, hit the switch, and now the exhaust will go through this path here, through the open plate, and basically give you open headers. Now the kit comes with all necessary piping, all necessary wiring, and even a dash mounted switch. So again, you have it in the closed position, hit the switch, and it's going to open up again for full open headers. Now one of the nice things with this kit, because it's electric, is you actually can adjust the switch. So if you want a little more tone, you can close it, open it slightly, open a little bit more, or open it all the way. At some point in time, these are going to find their way on Project Betty, but we just got them in and wanted to show you guys, because again, if you're looking for that active feature for an earlier Mustang, this is a great way to get it. You know, nice and quiet when you want it to be, but also at the flick of a switch, it's going to be nice and rowdy.